Hello everyone. So in this video demo, I will show you the integration between ManageEngine ADAudit Plus SSO with the CyberArk Identity Platform. So when you done the integration, when you look into the ADAudit Plus, you can see the SAML SSO icon in the login page like this one. So instead of putting your user and password directly, now you can just click on the icon here and you will be redirected to the identity provider, which is the CyberArk platform. From here you can choose multiple methods of authentication that platform support, such as QR scanning, putting your username and password together with the MFA from mobile app, from FIDO and so on, or you just click on the passkey like this one. So in this demo, I will click on the sign in with your passkey and using my Touch ID in my MacBook to log in. So I click on here, putting the Touch ID, and after that, I will automatically logging in. And when the authentication successfully, I will be redirected back to the ADAudit Plus screen with the right user. So the login now has been successfully. I can access to ADAudit Plus with the right user from here, and I can start working. No need to put in any username and password. Very convenient and also very secure. Next part, I will show you how I did for the configuration. So let me go in here to show you first, right? I will need to enable the logon setting and enable single sign-on with Active Directory. So from this one, right, the single sign-on only work with the Active Directory or AD user. So you need to go to the technical and add your user here first, right? So you can just click on Add Technical, choose the right domain, and click on Browse. Select the domain you want to add in. Click on OK, right? Select the rows to assign to them, save it, right? And now you have the new user here for the single sign-on activity. So in my case, I have added in my user here, so that's why I can access using the SSO platform. Next part, you need to enable the SSO in the configuration. So you go to the administration, logon setting, just click on the enable, and you start configure the SSO from here. So let me show you my configuration. So from the SSO configuration in AD Plus, you can choose SAML authentication or NTLM. In my case here, I am choosing SAML authentication for the integration with CyberArk. And for the identity provider, you select the custom SAML. Via the configuration, you will need to take from the CyberArk Identity platform as well. So let me look in the CyberArk Identity. So from the CyberArk Identity platform, you need to create the SAML application for this integration. To do that, you need to go to the Identity Administration page, go to the App and Widgets, click on Web Apps, click on Add Web App to Custom, and you choose the SAML application here. Just click on Add. When you finish, click on Close, and new application will be added to your web app list here. So in my configuration, I did before. So let me show you my application, which is SAML. SAML. Where is it? It is here. ADAudit Plus SAML, right? So when you create a new application, you need to put in some parameters for the SAML application, such as name, right? And you can upload your logo as well. The application ID is also very important. This will be the key for you to configure the ManageEngine ADAudit Plus SSO. the app key, let it be like this one. So you click on save and you go to the church section. So from here we have the very simple way to configure the identity. So you just click on the download metadata from here, and the file will be downloaded to your machine. After you got that, you can go to the ADAudit Plus and click on Browse, import the metadata from there. You can click on the upload metadata file like this one, browse the content and upload. And after upload, you can check on the menu and check the detail here. Actually, it will help you to copy all of the parameters from identity configuration to the fields, including certificate. Right, so just upload and upload the file and check for the manual. In terms of the service provider detail, you need to put in your name, the URL of your ManageEngine to here, right, and generate the parameter so that you can configure in the IDP. So you copy all of the parameters and put it here in the service provider configuration. For the SP entity ID, you just copy the link from here and put in. Right? So check on that, the SP assertion. For the recipient, just click on the assertions for the side response or assertions option. Name ID format, just put it unspecified. And the logout, copy from Audit Plus logout URL here, put it here. So that is for the church configuration. Click on save. Summary response, you can put it as default. If you want to add in some more attributes, you can add in here, but for this configuration, just put it as default. For the permission, you need to add your user or roles or group into this permission so that this will run and automatically displays here. This application can be deployed for your user. The policy, you can let it as default. If you want to add in some more additional step-up authentication, you can put it here, but from now I will put it as default. Account mapping, I'm using some account name. In some case, you can put it as a default using the user principal name. That also work. The other configuration, just let it as default and you click on save. And after that, from here, when you enable, you can start testing the single sign-on integration. That is very quick way to configure. Thank you very much.